Hey guys, and welcome again to Crypto Gems. Today we're gonna talk about a very interesting topic, which is XT.com. It is the world's first social infused exchange, and we're gonna talk about their website. I'm gonna go through their website. I'm gonna show you their social media accounts. I'm gonna talk about their super partnership event and how you can enter it and win actually a lot of money. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel Crypto Gems, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and of course check the description below for all the links and information needed to start using this exchange website. Have a good time. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. So guys, we are now on XT.com, the official site of XT, which is the world's first social infused exchange. And I will be going through their website a little bit. So if you go down a little bit here, as you can see, there is a list of crypto tokens, crypto coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, EDA, Cardano, DOT, Litecoin, and there is a button that says view more. And if you press it, then it will take you to the whole list that has more than 1,000 coins explained with prices, with changes, with the highest price, with the lowest price, and the volume. So if you are, for example, let's say that you are interested about this coin right here and you want to invest in it, so all you have to do is just press it and it will take you to this page where it has the charts, all the like 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and more for the charts, and a little bit of tools. As you can see here, there is the orders, the latest deals, buttons for selling and buying, but obviously you need to be registered. So everything is just explained in detail. So let me go back to the main page and go down, and there is here about XT. So let me press that so I can explain you everything. So XT.com, the world's first social infused exchange. XT.com exchange was established in 2018 and registered in Seychelles. Its operating headquarters is located in Dubai. It has operation centers in Singapore, Seoul, and other countries and regions, and its business covers the world. So the platform owns the global top-level domain, which is www.xt.com, the one that we're browsing right now, and it currently has more than 3 million registered users, more than 300K monthly active users, and more than 30 million users in the ecosystem. So if you want to learn more about xt.com, all you have to do is just press the About Us button. It will take you to this page right here. So if you go down a little bit here, they have more than 800 trading pairs, more than 3 million registered users, like I said, more than 30 million XT ecosystem users, and a 24/7 customer service and support. So if you go down a little bit here, they have diversified trading categories. So for XT.com, there is spot trading, futures trading, margin, pool, finance, and finally fiat. And if we go down a little bit here, as you saw, the group trading enables an easier access to crypto trading and a faster tracking of the market because it is actually very clear and very comprehensive, all the information that they are giving to the users about that coin, and the site and the structure of this site is actually very clear for everyone, and especially the newcomers that just started their crypto journey. So if you go down a little bit here, they have business with global coverage. As you can see here, they cover nearly all the world. And for their community, they have Telegram accounts for different languages, from English to Indian to Pakistani to German to Arabic to French to Spanish and many other languages. So if you are speaking one of these languages and want to be part of their community on Telegram, please make sure to visit this page, About Us. The link will be in the description below, and just press your link and it will take you directly to the community of that language. So if you go down a little bit here, they have also many other social media platforms, which are Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Medium, LinkedIn, Telegram, BTalk, and of course Instagram. So if you are interested about this new project and this exchange site and you want to be active on their social media, please make sure to go to this page, which is the About Us page, and press the social media account, for example Twitter, and I will be talking about their Twitter in a bit. So guys, what am I going to talk to you about right now is the XT Exchange Partnership event, and it is actually very easy to join this event, and I will be showing you some of the steps on how to join. And if you want to learn more about this event, please make sure to follow them on their social media, especially their Instagram and their Twitter, and of course their Telegram, because they announce a lot of announcements there, and they do a lot of giveaways, a lot of new features on their website. So please make sure to stay active on their social media so you can know more about XT and their giveaways and their new announcements. So the first step to join this event is to register at xt.com, which is this website. The link will be in the description below. via a specific referral link and complete the KYC. So the referral link will also be in the description below, so make sure to use that one. And of course, I'll be showing you how to complete the KYC. Deposit and complete at least one transaction. So all you have to do is just link your wallet and just move your money from one wallet to the exchange site, and that's called a deposit. And complete at least one transaction. That's it. And you will be getting or rewarded 15 XT token coupon rewards as soon as the two steps that I talked to you about will be finished, which is the registration, completion of the KYC, and of course the deposit. Then you will be automatically rewarded 15 XT token coupon rewards, and I will be showing you and explaining you how does this event work in a bit. So guys, now to the first step of the registration, which is the sign up. So I'll be showing you how to do the sign up on xt.com. The link will be in the description below, so follow me now. All you have to do is just pressing this button right here, sign up, and it will take you to this page where it asks you for your email address. Let me write my email address really quick, a login password, and please write a very secure login password that doesn't contain your address, your name, your phone, anything that concerns you. Then you press this verification, and then dynamic verification code. You can simply press this get code right here, or you can check dynamic verification code is just the one that sent to you on the email. So I'll be waiting for the code to enter. So yep, I received it after nearly 5 seconds. So I'll be writing this code right here, and then the invitation code will be in the description below. So make sure you check that out and use that code, because it is really important to use that code and not any other code. And then once you put that code right here, you press I have read and agreed to user agreement and privacy clause, and then press sign up. So all you have to do now is just to log into the account, put your email address again, and then your password that you just set, and then press login. So now set a security password, which will be the security password and not the one that you just set. This one will be used for security or basically fund security. So I'll be setting mine and then confirming it and then press submit. You officially have an account on xt.com. You see how easy it was, how fast it was, and it doesn't take any other steps. Now you have an account on xt.com. Now what we are going to do is just trying to confirm it. So these are the announcements that they are doing. For example, token listing, resumption trading, NFT arrival, Easter carnival. So make sure you check this bell right here, because it is actually very important that they are also giving all their announcements on their official website. So make sure you check that out. All I have to do now is the verification, which is in the, let me check, in the security. So for the security, all you have to do is put your phone number right here, and the Google Authenticator, which is recommended, which will be good for you because it has a security feature and it will not let people that have your email address or your password enter the account easily. For the security password, you also have to do a good password strength so people not randomly guess it. And they also have a login policy, a notification code, and they also have a login log for all the connections that you just did or the logins that were successful. So you already know if someone is using your account or not. So guys, now we have created our account. I will be showing you how to verify your account and complete the KYC, because there is a difference between verifying your account by adding your phone number, adding the Google Authenticator and all those security measures, and also finishing the KYC. So in order to finish the KYC, all you have to do is press this button right here of the profile and then go to identification. And it will take you to this page where there is personal verification level 0, which is unverified, but we are going to work now on the verification. So for the first level, which is the basic verification, all you have to do is just sending them a photo verification and adding a fiat trading permission. And the review period will be within 2 days. The cryptocurrency deposits and the fiat deposits have no limit. And for the fiat withdraw, it is $500 per day, and for the cryptocurrency, it is the withdrawal limit is of 2,000 USDT per day. For the level 2, which is the advanced verification, and I really advise you to do the level 2 advanced verification, because that's really good, and you will see why. It is really easy to do because it's just a video verification, verification of merchant permission, and the review period is also within 2 days. The fiat has also a deposit that is unlimited also for the cryptocurrency, but the withdrawal is, for the fiat, is 500k USD per day, and for the cryptocurrency it is 1 million USDT per day. So please go to this page and do the verification, so you have no limit on the website and you actually can withdraw and have the maximum measures or the maximum stats in order to be having the maximum profit. So guys, now we all have left is the explanation on how the event works, which is the super partnership event. The keynote of the event is once users register under you, they did the KYC and performed their first trade, they will unlock the 15XT coupon just like you. From there, they will have 6 months time to complete the task to claim the 15XT coin from the coupon. The task is a sheet trade volume of 10,000 USD. Meaning they can easily achieve this by doing tedious steps of example, deposit 1,000 or 100 USD and redeposit 100 times to get 10,000k USD trade volume, or deposit 1k USD and repeat it 10 times to get 10k USD trade volume. Users can then claim 15XT, and then from there they may choose to remain an XT or withdraw all the funds in another exchange or fiat currency. They create the tedious steps needed to attain 15XT to avoid people who want easy cash. Their goal is to let users experience their platform and potentially earn money while doing the trade, and hopefully to convert them into long-term customers. So guys, that's it for the explanation of the event. It is very easy, very convenient, and very cool to do. So please make sure you check it out and follow them on their social media that we are going to check right now. We are going to check their official Twitter. So see you in a bit. So as I told you guys, we are going to speak about their Twitter account, which is xt.com exchange. The link will be also in the description below. It is twitter.com/xtexchange. So as you can see here, they are going viral and everyone is just following them. They have more than 145k followers. And it is the world's first social infused exchange. As you can see here, they have official Telegram account, so for the English language, so make sure you check that out. If you go down a little bit here, they actually have a lot of giveaways, a lot of money that is being given away by xt.com, so make sure you follow them on their Twitter, because they are actually very active on there, and they are actually posting a lot of announcements and a lot of new features that they are adding to their website. They are collaborating with new companies, big crypto companies, and they are trying their best to give their newcomers or the new users the best experience possible in their crypto journey. So make sure you follow them by pressing this button right here, and also check their other social media accounts. The link will be in the description below. So guys, that's it for today's video. We talked about xt.com or XT, the social infused exchange. We talked about their website. I showed you their KYC, how to register on the website, their super partnership event, and of course the website as a whole. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel Crypto Gems, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And of course, check the description below for all the links and information you need to start using XT. Have a good one. Bye bye.